Let's talk about the roof. I filmed most of the roof install with the camera on the tripod, and it seems to be I just had the worst luck yesterday with my cameras because it's sitting on the tripod. I go to check the time and realize that the phone won't go into camera mode because it overheated sitting out in the hot sun. It was like 100 and something degrees here in Texas yesterday. I'm in East Texas at the ranch, of course. So a little bit of review on the install process itself. There's two phases to installing the roof. One is putting the seal kit in place. There's basically a foam seal that goes all the way around the entire roof, and there's even a seal that goes in between the two pieces. There's a back piece and a front piece, and there's a seal that goes in between the two, so when you put them together it makes a watertight seal, which is nice. There's not very many screws that hold this thing together. There's 8 that go along the middle. So once you get the rear piece installed, the rear piece installs by just setting in place, tilting at an angle, getting these to hook around this B-pillar top bar. And then you've got 4 screws in the back that hold it into place on the C-pillar top rail. You can see it coming through there. So that puts the rear in place, and then you've got the front. You get the front where these hook into this A-pillar bar, and you push it back as hard as you can because it takes some gusto to get it into position, especially if you're by yourself. That's one thing I might note is if you've got a buddy, use a buddy to help you install this thing. Same thing with the windshield. But anyway, and then you've got 4 on this side, 4 nuts, and then you got 4 on the other side, and then there's a bolt on this side and same one on the other side, and that's it. Then you're installed. So real simple roof, nothing fancy about it, but it's a great design. It's a good tight fitment. I've been driving around. It doesn't make any noise, no squeaks, nothing. So the seal kit works good for sound dampening and keeping the elements out.